Oh man, what's cooking good looking? What's cooking good looking? Welcome to another edition of Cooking with the Duke, hosted by yours truly, T-Bone Mama Duke, aka The Duke. Well, look at what we got here. Oh man. So for the first time ever, I've got a guest on the show. And it just happens to be my dad. Well, we did something a little bit special for the occasion. Have a looky there. Oh man, I can't wait. Let's serve her up. Now hold on just a minute. We need to go back. We need to see how we did it. It's Oxtail o'clock. A little twist on the traditional potjie recipe. We're gonna pre-smoke these oxtails in the Traeger at 110 degrees. We're gonna add a touch of Traeger smoky flavor to our potjie pot today. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna smoke these for about an hour. Better get chopping. You can't have a potjie pot without a fire. Scientific fact. So we're just gonna light up this little witty and like magic. Now, ain't that a beautiful sight? We got the wine, we got the beef in the Traeger. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's taking on a nice mahogany color. We got all our ingredients over here. We better get chopping. We got mushrooms, we got leeks, we got onion, we got potato, we got carrots, we got bacon, we got tin tomatoes, we got garlic, we got it all. But what's missing from this scene? Boom, boom, boom! Yes, my dudes and dudettes, to start today's show, the potjie pot we're gonna introduce to the fire. Make sure she's sitting correct. Yeah, a little fiddly bits, make sure to just make a little bit of space there. Tuck in the wood. And first off, we're gonna throw down a little oil. Handsome glug. We'll get that oil hot while Papa Duke slices up a little bit of leeks for us. We got two big, beautiful leeks, so she's gonna add some beautiful, creamy flavor to our potjie pot. Just take out the gnarly bits and slice up a little onion, and we're almost ready to throw down. Let's have a little look at our oxtails. Oh man, those are looking good. Time to introduce them to the pot, one by one. Oh man, these smell incredible. Look at that. Beautiful color on that. We've already got a little advantage in our potjie pot with extra flavor. Just throw them all in. Here you go. We got all shapes and sizes here from the tail that goes from tip to tail, literally. All right, mighty fingies, here we go. All right, thanks Traeger, you done great today. Oh man, listen to that sizzle. Oh, we are on our way to potjie perfection. Now I'm gonna throw down a pack of bacon. This is just gonna add a little extra flavor on top of our flavor. Ain't gonna even chop it up. This is just gonna melt down into beautiful bacon flavor with the beef Shazam. Oh, it's gonna be good. I'm just gonna, introduce you to the beef. Speaking of beef, look at that. Oh man. Smells incredible already, ain't even cooked yet. Okay, so here we go. Papa Duke is introducing the leeks to the pot. Look at that skill. Now don't stir it, but stir it. Potjie aficionados always tell me off for stirring the pot. Okay, we're gonna throw down a little bit of tomato, tin tomato, some beef stock to make our beefy broth even more beefy. And Papa Duke's kind enough to lend us some of his wine. Yeah, oh man, a little bit more. Yeah, that'll do. I'm gonna save some for drinking. Okay, we'll close her up. I almost forgot. We're gonna throw down a little garlic, just break it up. I ain't even gonna bother peeling it or anything like that. We're just gonna throw it in rough as you like, because that'll melt away to nothing, leaving its garlic shazamness. And some whole black peppercorns. Those will soften up later and pop in your mouth. Oh, delicious. And Papa Duke's gonna throw down a little bit of salt for us. Just grind it in there. And we are set. Okay, don't stir it, but kind of stir it. No, we ain't stirring. Papa Duke, you ain't stirring, right?
Nope.
I didn't think so. Okay. Those are up. Let her simmer for a while. Oh, this is a good way to spend the day with your pop, I tell you. Okay. But wait. Let's get Papa back on the carrots. He's kindly, roughly chopping us up a whole bunch of these carrots. We're gonna throw them in a minute. Oh, these are gonna be delicious. I love carrots in the potjie. All right.
Oh, man. That's looking good.
Oh, yeah. You sure is. These are my wife's organic carrots. Don't tell her. Okay. I'm thinkies. All right, those are up. I think we're done for a while. Just let that simmer for a few hours. We're gonna add a little bit more fire, wood to our little potjie stove, and not much else to do but just let her ride for a few hours. Okay, so we're gonna have a little sneak peek. Oh man, we are bubbling away nicely. It's like a little witch is cauldron in there. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Now, we need a little bit more gravy, so Papa Duke's gonna just add a little bit more tomato paste, and I'm gonna throw down some boiling water in there. We just want a little bit more gravy. That's looking good. We're not stirring, we're just touching the sides of the pot. Oh, look at that. Oh man, it's smelling good already. Close her up. We're just gonna add a little more firewood to the mix and keep her bubbling away. This is cast iron cooking, people, just the way we love it. Now, if you know me, you know I'm a family man. And it ain't often I get to see my mama and papa, say cheese, as they live on the other side of the world. So it's been a couple of years since we're all together. So this is a real special cook for me. And a real thrill to see my dad reading my kids' book, The Little Smoky's Barbecue Boogie, to my girls. A real great moment. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to cook with my mom this time. But Mama, if you're watching this, we're gonna be making some barbecue chicken next time I see you. I can't wait. Okay, so we've been bubbling away all afternoon. We're gonna come and have a little sneak peek, see how we're going on. Open her up. Oh man, look at that. Oh, that is looking good. Our beef is beginning to come away from the bone. Look at that. We want some delicious tender beef, so we're gonna throw down our pomme de terre. That's French for apple of the earth, as Papa Duke here would say. This is the potatoes. Oh man, not stirring. We're not stirring. Just close her up. Okay, so it's been a little while, and we're gonna just add the final ingredient, which is our little button mushrooms. Oh, these are the best. Gonna just throw those over the top, close her up, and it is almost time for potjie o'clock. Hey, Bobby.
Yeah.
I've upgraded my car to run on herbs.
Yeah.
It's now capable of time travel. Have a little look. I think we're ready, people. Let's have a little look. Oh man, look at this. Oh, that is incredible. Okay, now, I think it's time to bring her off let's have a look at our beef. Look at that. Oh, that is tender. It's coming. Well, it's almost coming away from the bone. I think we're gonna bring her off the pot. Look at that. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Almost 6 hours of cooking, and we are ready to plate up, bowl up. Oh, let's have a little proper look down from above here. Oh man, look at that. Oh, that is a beautiful sight to behold. Nearly 6 hours of just bubbling away with all this beautiful goodness going down into our potjie pot. Well, let's serve her up. Oh man. Look at that big old beautiful hunk of beef. For the guest of honor. And there you have it. Tender, delicious oxtail potjie cooked out back in the afternoon with my dad all day long, served up with some green beans and some soft, crusty bread. I'm just gonna pull this. Oh, this is so tender. Oh man, that is delicious. Oh, I can't resist. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, why not give us a subscribe or say hi, leave a comment, or we'll see you in the next video. Oh man, look at that. Oh yeah, anyway, till next time. Later, taters.